holidays are here, and if you're looking for a last-minute gift or maybe you just want to treat yourself, Corsair has a ton of epic deals happening until December 31st. Everything from PC parts like coolers or fans or peripherals like mice, headsets or keyboards have up to a massive 50% off during these holiday deals. For example, my main screen is this 27-inch 1440p OLED monitor, which I use for both gaming and video editing, is currently 33% off, which is a huge saving of £350. So if you're looking to spice up your setup or upgrade your gaming PC, now is the perfect time to do that. These offers are running until the end of December though, so if you are interested, click this link in the doobly-doo and check out all the deals.